All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own OpenAI API keys like I have here, where you will be able to just create any of them that you need. And I'm going to create a new account so you can see this whole process from the start. And so I've opened up an incognito. I'm just going to delete this at the end. So if you're watching this later and you try to use these API keys or any of the passwords, they will not work. But what we're going to do is go ahead and you're going to use, I forgot to mention, you're going to use this link. It's platform.openai.com/API-keys. And this will take you directly to this if you don't have an OpenAI account yet. If you already have one, go ahead and log in, but I'm going to start it from scratch so everybody can see how to set this up. So I'm going to sign in and I'm going to continue with Google, and I'm going to actually, let's not do that. I'm going to put in, let's see if it'll allow me to do this. And if you don't know this, if you have Google Workspace, you can just put +1, +2, whatever, and it will all go right into your regular email. So, because we will have to verify this. And so I'm just going to make a, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to need to go and check my email. Now I'm going to put this code in and hit continue. So your full name and of course your birthday. They do require you to be over 18. Unfortunately, I am way over 18. Okay, so at this point, it's going to ask you for your organization name and what best describes me. And I'm going to create this organization. It doesn't change anything. That's just for their back end. Do I want to invite them? Not yet. Make your first API key. So you might want to name this Pickaxe and which studio you're in. So maybe it's my Pickaxe Pro Builders and my project name. I just have left everything under the default project. And now we're going to hit continue. It's always going to have you add some API credits. They do require a prepay. I will tell you $5 lasts me months and months and months of testing. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase those credits. You're going to add your payment method. And like I said, this is just a sample account. So I'm not going to do this at this point, but the very next screen you will see will be one that looks like this, where you can now click create new secret key. The name of it, I always name it so I know where it's going. So if this is like a pickaxe, if I'm going to use the same one for the whole studio, that's what I like to do. So I have my Pickaxe Pro Builders studio and my default prod, and I want the permission set to all, and I'm going to create that secret key. Don't worry, I'm going to delete this, so I'm just going to keep it so you can see it. I'm going to copy it, and when I go into Pickaxe, let's go in here. And let's say I want to add a search tool to my doorman. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to edit. And under actions, I'm going to search for search, and we're going to click for MCP servers. And this is the one I recommend, OpenAI Web Search. It works really, really well. There's others that work really well. This one I like because it's so easy to set up. And we hit connect. Now you'll see that it shows up here. If you're on the free plan, you only get one. If you're on the gold plan, you get 3. And if you are on the professional plan, you can get unlimited. I recommend no more than 5 connections. in each one to ensure they're working well. Sometimes we can push that boundary depending on the instructions, but just so you are aware. All right. And so that's how you get your OpenAI API key, and that's how you put it in there. If you are one of my clients and I've already set this up, you can go ahead and hit edit connection. It'll load it, and you'll replace my key with your key here, and then just drop me an email letting me know that's done. All right. Thanks so much. We'll talk soon.